Hi students, welcome to today's online class. Today we are going to learn about operators in a C programming language. What is operator? Operator means operators are C tokens which can join two variables, two constants or two array elements and function references. What are operators? Operators are the one of the C tokens which can join two variables, two constants, two array elements and two function references. Operators act upon data item called operands. Operand means what? Variables. Operators acts on what? Operands called variables. Example we can see. This is operand, this is operand. This is what? Operator. This is a operator. These two are what? Operands. Okay. Now, operator performs an operation on a data. Okay. Not only a plus b. If you are giving 3 plus 5 means what? These are constants. These are variables. These are constants. Performs on some operations on data. Okay. If you see types of operators. In the C programming language, we are having 8 types of operators. How many types? 8 types. What are that? Arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, assignment operators, increment and decrement operators, conditional operators, bitwise operators and special operators. How many types of operators in the C programming language? Totally 8 types that are arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, assignment operators, increment and decrement operators, conditional operators, bitwise operators and special operators. Now we have to learn about all these operators in each class. I will explain 2 in each class. Let us start with arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used to perform what? Numerical calculation. Arithmetic operators are used to perform numerical calculations. Like what are the numerical calculations? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modular division. Okay, this all we know. This all are mathematical calculation purpose we use, right? So types of arithmetic operations. 3 types of arithmetic operations are there, that are integer arithmetic, real arithmetic and mixed mode arithmetic. Means integer arithmetic means whatever the operation should be, the value should of integer type. Means 2 plus 5 or 5 minus 2 or what is the result you will get? That should be of what? Integer type. Okay, this is about what? Integer arithmetic. If real arithmetic means 5.7 plus 2.2 is equal to what? 7.9 is the answer. Means what? This is real arithmetic. Real numbers are involved in the operation, whereas here 2 plus 5 is equal to 7 means what? Here which numbers are involved? Here integer numbers are involved, whereas mixed mode arithmetic. In mixed mode arithmetic, one number will be of real and another number will be of integer type. 1 means if you add these two, what you will get? 8.8. So result is what? Either we get float point or integer type. This is about what? Types of arithmetic operators. topic. Okay, so understand clear now. As include stdio.h. This is a, I can write here in, so while programming also you can write by giving slash and star mark. It won't be executed. This for your understanding purpose we can write in notes as well as for whenever you are typing also we can write like this for understanding purpose. So this is a header file. Okay. Next, this is what this is also a header file. Okay, these two are header files. Belongs to what? All the from the library functions. Now this is the main function. We know the rules of C programming, right? This is a open brace. This is a closing brace. Means what? The code should be between this and this, opening and closing. If you see integer a is equal to 20, b is equal to 10 are the values. We are writing sample program for arithmetic operator. So by seeing that program, you can understand that we are printing printf percentage d. We are giving directly here operation. What is the operation we are giving? Addition, arithmetic addition we are giving, right? What are the values we have given? A is equal to 20. A is equal to 20. Okay. A is equal to 20 we have given plus b is equal to what is the value we have given? 10. Now let us write here when you write the program how to execute. First press Control Alt F9 and Control plus F9. Okay. So this is for compiling, this is for executing. Means to check the errors and to run the program. To check errors, to run program or to execute. To execute a program. So if you are pressing Alt F9, if there are no errors, it will show you 0 errors. If you press Ctrl F9, it will execute. It will give the output like this. Okay. A plus B. What is the output you will get here? 30 will be printed first. Then after printf function is used to what? To print the output. Percentage A minus B. A minus B. What is the value of A? 20 is. Value of A is 20 minus B 10. So we are giving which operator here? Arithmetic subtraction. This is what? Arithmetic subtraction. So what is the output we will get? 10. And this is what? A star B. Star should be in the middle. Okay. A star B means what? Multiplication. Arithmetic multiplication. 20 into 10. What is the output we will get? 200. Next, A divisible by B means what? Division. Arithmetic division. How it? 20 divided by 10 means 10 here 20. 10 to the 20. So here it is 0. So here this division when we are giving backslash, division means what? Slash when we are giving, output will be quotient. This is what? Quotient. Right? You have learned already. Quotient, this is a remainder. Okay? Now, when we are giving percentage, B means what? It is a modular division. Modular division prints the value which we get as remainder. What we are getting here? Remainder 0. Okay? This is the output we can see on our screen. Okay? This is about what? Sample program for arithmetic operators. Now, let us see relational operator. Relational operator means relational operator compares two expressions. What relational operator will do? Compares two expressions. prints 1, otherwise it prints 0. If it is true, it prints 1 as output, otherwise it prints as 0 as output. Now, operators are, what are relational operators? Less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. Here it is equal to. Double equal to symbol will be equal to some value, whereas we cannot give single equal to. If a is equal to 10 means what? We are giving value to a. We are not equating. To equate the two values, a is equal to b means what? 2 equal to 10 is equal to 10 means what? Double equal to we have to give. Okay, this is what not is equal to. Now, let us see sample program for relational operators, then you will understand very clearly about it. Now, sample program for relational operator. Same. What is the rule for programming? Say adding header files stdio.h. This is must to add. This is also must. Why? Because we are having some mathematical calculations, right? So that's why we will add this header file as include math.h. Now, we are giving integer values. Okay, integer a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20. Now, we are performing this relational operator. So means we are checking here. What is a less than b? Means 10 is less than 20. Yes. So what will be the output? True. Now, next a less than or is equal to b. Same. 10 less than or is equal to 20 means 10 is less than 20 but not equal to. So this one condition is true and or we are saying or. So it is less than. So it is also true. It prints the output will be printed as 1. Next is a greater than b means 10 greater than 20. No, it is false. False means what? We will see output as 0. Next, a greater than or equal to b. 10 greater than or equal to 20. It is not greater than or it is not equal to. Next, a is equal to b. 10 is equal to 20. No, it is also false. 10 not is equal to 20. Yes, it's not is equal to 20. So it is true. It will be printed as 1. This is a program regarding relational operators. The one thing you have to remember that here we are defining for these two examples. I have taken only integer type of data types only. If we are taking any float type data type, we have to give here what? Percentage f. Okay. If you are taking any other type of data type, we have to give the format specifiers regarding to that particular data type only. Okay. This is about arithmetic operators and relational operators in C programming. In the next class, we will see next two operators. Okay. Now, and I will provide some notes. You have to write the notes and understand well about this concept because this is a very important topic. Everything is important in programming, but you have to learn each and every concept. Okay. Thank you.